I am 55 years old, but I'll say that just because you look one way on the outside doesn't necessarily mean that things aren't changing. Well, let's just say things aren't flowing the same way they used to when I was younger. And that can make you feel old. My doctor prescribed these meds that make me feel terrible. And now she's saying I might have to give up cycling. That's my favorite thing to do on the weekends. So my sister told me about Emsella. It was interesting because I felt muscles contracting that I didn't even know I had. You can feel the pelvic floor just lifting in that first treatment. I feel like Emsella changed my life. Not having to get up 6 times a night to go to the bathroom. The amount of sleep I'm getting, the energy I have throughout the day, I feel more confident. My sex life is better. And you know what else? I still get to ride my bike. I am empowered by Emsella.